In this video, I'll show you 5 simple methods to fix AirPods that won't connect to your iPhone. Let's get into it. Method 1. Turn Bluetooth off and on. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap Bluetooth, then toggle it off. Wait a few seconds and toggle it on. Try reconnecting your AirPods. Method 2. Put AirPods back in the case. Put both AirPods in the charging case and close the lid. Wait about 15 seconds, then open the lid and bring it close to your iPhone. Tap Connect if the setup animation appears. Method 3. Forget and reconnect AirPods. Go to Settings Bluetooth. Tap the icon next to your AirPods, then tap Forget this device. Put the AirPods back in the case, open the lid, and press and hold the setup button on the back until the LED flashes white. I'll reconnect them to your iPhone. Method 4. Charge your AirPods in case. Make sure your AirPods and charging case have enough battery. Plug the case into a charger for at least 10 to 15 minutes, then try again. Method 5. Update your iPhone. Go to Settings, General Software Update. If there's an update available, download and install it. It may fix connectivity bugs. Bonus tip: if none of these work, try resetting your network settings. Go to Settings, General Transfer, or Reset iPhone Reset Network Settings. Underscore. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.